Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support, and in this video I'm going to show you the full screen option and feature of our Agile plugin. Okay, so for this purpose I'm going to use our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com. So you're free to use it anytime, and the credentials are user admin and password admin. They are automatically filled when you enter our demo server, but please, just for information, you could know this. Okay, so in our case, we have to go to Agile project on the demo server and then Agile board. Okay, and afterward, when you open the board, then you will see the full screen mode button is appearing here. So there are three buttons: apply, clear, and full screen. So these buttons here are about saving a query on the Agile board. There is a separate guide about showing you how to save queries on Agile board. It is a very useful feature. However, in our case, we need to know how the full screen functionality works. So actually it is very easy. You have to just click on the full screen and it is now done. Our board is on full screen into our browser. So it is more convenient for you if you have a lot of statuses, issue statuses, which are actually agile columns. So imagine if you have one big screen. Currently, I'm on a laptop, but you have one big screen and, for example, 20 columns of agile. And if you put it in a full screen, it is going to be convenient and good looking for you. So you could check and see every ticket in every column. And yes, it is going to be very useful in your case. So when you put the Agile board on a full screen mode, then actually you are allowed to do everything that you do in the other board. I mean, everything is the same, but in full screen. For example, you could add a new issue, adding an issue on the Agile board. So it is successfully added. Also, you could drag and drop issues from one column to another. Of course, you can just put the issues from here to here. Also, you can change the assignee. Here is Bong Steven, but I want to change it to this lady, that is Elizabeth Stone. So I change to Elizabeth Stone, and many more. You can do anything, okay? And if you decide to just quit and exit the full screen, there is a button here on the top right corner. You can click on it, or you can click with the escape button of your keyboard. So I'm going to use the escape now. I click escape and I'm out of this mode. Okay. Just wanted to show you one more thing, by the way, that you can also use the checklist feature. So yeah, we see checklist here, and if we put another way a full screen, we can also check and uncheck things with the checklists. Okay, so this feature is also working on the full screen. In other words, every feature, everything that is on the Agile board, on the standard one, is working and available in the full screen mode. Okay, so yeah, and okay, this time I'm going to exit via the button here. I click here and I'm exiting the full screen mode. Okay. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was good and helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles on our site. You could subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have some questions or problems about this feature, or with Agile, or with installation, or with anything else, please feel free to contact us at support@redmineup.com. We're going to help you as always. So thank you again for the patience of watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.